As with most barn finds, this 1965 Porsche 912 has a special story. It was bought new in the Netherlands on Christmas Eve in 1965 by an exceptionally lucky man's wife, who gifted it to him the next day on Christmas morning. His wife's name was Princess Beatrix of the Netherlands, and the man was Prince Claus of Germany. Beatrix would go on to become queen in 1980, and the couple's eldest son Willem-Alexander would ascend to the throne in 2013 to become the country's new king. Prince Claus clearly loved the 912 gifted to him by Beatrix, as he kept it for over 20 years and used it regularly. The second owner took possession in 1986 and drove it only a few thousand kilometers before parking it in dry storage and largely forgetting about it. 30 years passed outside the storeroom's steel roller door. Finally in 2017, the roller door was opened, and the dusty but all-original Porsche 912 was discovered. It's worth considerably more now than it was in the late 1980s. On release, the 912 had a dry weight of 2,095 pounds and produced 90 horses power. Owners quickly realized they could get over 30 miles to the gallon by driving conservatively, but even normal use would typically get near 27 mpg. The 0 to 60 time of 11.6 seconds was unlikely to set the world alight, but remember these performance figures are all relative to the mid-1960s. Top speed was 119 miles per hour, and owners could test this out for themselves on the freeway.